Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need clarity before any outreach. First, set a no-contact period and stick to it so emotions cool and perspective returns. Once done, honestly list what you did, what you will change, and why those changes matter. Make a short, neutral message ready, one sentence acknowledging distance and offering a gentle question or request to talk. Send only after a consistent week of follow-through. This creates space and proves you're thinking and acting differently, not just reacting. When you re-engage, prioritize listening and safety. Start with a concise, empathic opener that validates their experience and avoids blame. Once they respond, ask open questions and let them lead. You should spend most of the interaction absorbing, not defending. Show concrete, repeated actions that back up your words, small, visible habits that matter to them. Make sure to pace replies, mirror their tone, and avoid escalating topics. This builds trust slowly and makes reconciliation credible rather than performative. To complete the process, convert conversation into a simple plan you both accept, set one measurable goal, clear boundaries, and a check-in schedule. Then show up reliably. Small, consistent acts matter more than grand gestures. They rebuild safety. If things go sideways, pause for 72 hours and reevaluate your approach rather than pleading or chasing. Sometimes withdrawal creates perspective. If resistance continues, focus on improving yourself and accept that the healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.